we're going to finish off looking at the list but setting a question, and it's something important for our design. Now in our program we've got choices of A and B and C and D. Okay, so if we want to print them, you can see here we've got A, B, C, D, and we could have the answers to all of these options. Now, very similar to if you use Excel, you could have your columns going down with the values or the values going along in rows. So with the list, we could have, if we had, let's say we've got 3 questions, okay? So we've got questions and these are perhaps the answers. So let's just copy and paste. So we've got questions 1, questions 2, questions 3. But how do we know which ones to print? So we've got, questions 1. We have to make sure it's precise. So here we're going to have to use the different for loops for the different questions. So this is one way of using lists for all the answers. But another way might be using, instead of having A, B, C, D of the questions, we can have options, let's say A, options B, options C, and we have, let's just change this, options and paste options D. So now we would have the different answers for A, so A1 and A2 and A3. So here we've got 4 questions, and then each one, so B1, B2, B3 and B4. So when we want to look at the options, we could set our range, and we're going to, let's say we start at 1 and we're going to go to 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I print I, you can see here it's going to go, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, options and I, let's put I in so we can see it. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's just do range 4. Okay, so I want to go 0, 1, 2, 3, and we want to see the first element in each of the lists. So we've got options. We've got options A, comma, and let's copy paste. So options B, option C, and option D. Okay, now if I run this, is that not, oh, that should be uppercase D. If I run this, now you can see for question 1, we've got the 4 options, A, B, C, D. For question 2, let's run it with I plus 1. So question 1, we've got the options for A, B, C, D. For question 2, we've got options for A, B, C, D. Question 3, we've got A, B, C, D. Question 4, we've got A, B, C, D. So what we've done is we've shown you 2 different ways of using lists. One, to have the options A, B, C, D in each list, and then you've got to use loops and say which list that you're doing for all the questions. Or in this alternative approach, we're using lists and we would have perhaps say 15 options for the 15 questions. So each options A, options B, option C, option D would have 15 strings with the 15 options. And that way we can use one loop and then the range would be 15, and then we would go through all of the answers.